So everyone, I go by the name of Nelle. I'm here to do an unboxing video. It's been a long time coming due to COVID-19. But I'm here and I'm back again to do another unboxing video for you. I have a Nike box. I love Nike. I love Nike. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what I got. I have a Nike Airmax 97. It's purple, teal, white, touch of fuchsia. And on the bottom of the outsole, it has like a light green color. It's purple. Also, as you can see, at the bottom of the outsole, the sole, it has a air bubble that's purple with a teal check. As you can see, also on the shoe, has teal checks all on the shoe. There's no other color here. The swoosh, the Nike swoosh, is teal, both sides. And on the side panel, it is white. Has a white side panel, a touch of white with a teal check. And then it goes around the shoe with purple, with the pattern purple, white, teal, white, teal. So you have leather material. You have patent leather, just a touch going around as well. Then a touch of white leather going around the shoe. Then mesh. Then you have like a synthetic material here, mesh. And then on the tongue, it is also mesh material. And then the shoelace holder is purple and with white laces with a touch of fuchsia on the shoelaces, the tip here. And then of course on the tongue you can see it's outlined purple with a teal swoosh again. And then on the tongue kind of got like that tongue holder. It's white. And on the back you have a fuchsia pull tab here. I can't remember the name, but it has lime green written there. Airmax, I do believe. Yeah, Airmax. Inside it says Nike. Insole is white. And it says engineer for all day, everyday comfort. So you know when you get an Airmax 97, it's going to be comfortable. I will tell you that. Anybody that has worn an Airmax will tell you that Airmax is one of the most comfortable shoes out there. So this is definitely a nice shoe colorway. Nike does a great job with the colorway every time. It's just, they do good. They do a great job. This is a Hornets color, Charlotte Hornets. Put you in the mind of Charlotte Hornets. I love the Hornets. I'm a fan. Shout out to North Carolina, Charlotte. Representing. If you don't like Charlotte and you like the colors, hey, can't hate. The colors are nice. Teal, white, purple. You got something nice to go with. These shoes, please wear it. Like, it'll make your outfit more dope. I think shoes make outfits dope. But this is it, the 97 Airmax. Thank you for tuning in. Again, I'm Nelle. Peace.